Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable guest network on the TENDA Nova Mesh router using a smartphone. To start, you need to open Tenda WiFi app on your smart device. On the first screen you need to go to the settings and there go to the guest network, toggle that switch to enable it, and there you can change the Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password or set the validity period, and to confirm all the changes you need to click save. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.